Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. One of the simplest and easiest way to remove or change TikTok you may like suggestions is by simply tapping on the refresh icon here. However, if you want to completely remove it, you have to delete your search history. So open your profile. When you open your profile, on the top right corner of your screen you can see a menu icon. Tap on the menu icon and then tap on settings and privacy and then tap on activity center. Here you can see search history. Tap on the search history. You can see list of the things that you have searched for in the past. Select the suggestions that you want to remove and then tap on delete. When you do this, TikTok will remove your previous you may like suggestions and replace it with something else. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.